guys, I hope you're all doing well, and thank you so much for clicking on that button to watch this video. If this is your first time on the channel, I thank you so much for stopping by to support. Please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that every time I send out a new video, you're the first to get the video. Blinds really block out the sun, don't they? Yes, they are super good for shades, but if you have allergies, it's a no for you. It's best you choose curtains if you have allergies, and this is why. Okay, I'm going to be talking about blinds today. And those of you who have already been on the channel know that I have allergy issues. Now, for someone who has allergy issues, this is my experience and my recommendation. I would not recommend that you get blinds because blinds picks up a lot of lint and it is difficult to clean. Now, because I decided on blinds, well, now I'm regretting it, but because I decided on blinds and not curtains, you know, the curtains you can just pull down and wash, and it's easier to do that. But with the blinds, they're already installed. There's basically nothing you can do. You just have to clean it. Now, I have 3 things that I've found by recommendation from other videos and so on. 3 things that I found that I can use to clean the blinds, but there's one in particular that is super excellent to clean these blinds. And you're gonna want to have to clean the blinds at least once a week or once every 2 weeks because it gathers a lot of lint, especially if you live in the US. It gathers a lot of lint and you have to clean it, or else you're gonna have problems with your allergies. Okay, so these are my findings, my recommendations, my experiences, and I'm just going to share them with you. And you're going to leave me a comment, let me know what you think about what I've shared with you. So like I said, I have 3 things. It's going to be the pink team, the blue team, and the yellow team, and you're going to choose a team. And the blue team is our Old Terry winter sock. And our pink team is the well talked about Swiffer Ruffer. Pink Swiffer Ruffer. And our yellow team is our microfiber yellow cloth. Now let's see how they perform. Are you rooting for the yellow team, blue team, or pink team? Go teams, go! And first up is the pink team. Let's see how it performs. Look at how it's picking up the dust. Do you see? Do you see, guys? It's leaving behind about 70% of that dust. Still, I'm just going to leave it so you see for yourself what I'm talking about. And you have to go over it a few times well. And it's still like it's spreading the dust all about and it's throwing it into the air. That definitely is not a good thing. Now, let's move on to the yellow team and see how the yellow team performs. And of course, up next is our microfiber cloth. Yes, let's see how that performs. It seems to be taking up about 75% of that dust, but it's still throwing the dust around. It's moving it from one place to the next and also tossing it to the air. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Pay close attention. And remember now that you're going to have to go underneath when you're cleaning, because you have to clean the top and the back. And now for the blue team. And for this one, guys, you're going to have to be wearing the sock. See, and then you're going to pinch it. And you're going to grab that pane there, and both sides are going to be cleaned at the same time. Are you paying close attention? So now, are you getting closer, a little warmer to your answer? Is it going to be the yellow team or the pink team or the blue team? Tell me in the comment sections, guys, which team do you think is going to win? And here's what I want you to do, guys. I just want to make it just so interactive. I want you to stop the video right now, go to the comment section and drop your answer. The one that falls to the ground, that is the winner. But I want you to go to the comment section first and let me know which team you think is the winning team. And wait for the answer. The one that falls to the ground, remember, is the one that won this competition, guys. Drum roll. Let's see which one is the winner. So there you go, guys. The blue team is the winner. I'm telling you, that sock cleans like nobody's business. It came out on top for me. I am totally so pleased. And as usual, I'm gonna say thank you for watching.